Hi boys, Miss Quance here. What I'm going to show you is an article on NewsELA and how we can make purposeful annotations to support with our written responses with specific details from a text. So what I want to find out here is, why are plastic straws dangerous or harmful? And I want to find two details in this text that supports the question. So McDonald's takes the lead with plan to end plastic straws in restaurants. Why? What's wrong with plastic straws? Why are plastic straws harmful or dangerous? So I scroll down here. Plastic straws are bad for the environment. They litter beaches. They also block waterways and fill garbage dumps. This tells me right here why they are dangerous or harmful. So what I do here to annotate is I highlight over with my cursor. And after I do that, this highlight option should pop up with yellow, green, purple, or like a pinkish red. So I'm going to pick yellow. Now, McDonald's may stop using them. The burger giant plans to try out alternative straws in the United States. They will be testing them in select restaurants. McDonald's made the announcement on June 15th. Environment groups put a lot of pressure on the company to make this decision. And right here, it says wasteful plastic. There are big problems with plastic straws. They are wasteful. Right here's another detail. They're wasteful. So I'm going to put that, I'll do purple. They don't break down in landfills. This ties in with how they're wasteful. They don't break down. Purple. Also, most people don't need them. Paper straws work just as well as plastic. Straws can also be made out of straw and even seaweed. Every day, McDonald's gives out millions of plastic straws, said the nonprofit group Some of Us. This group works on a number of causes. Protecting the environment is one of them. Customers use plastic straws once, then they throw the straws away. McDonald's will give people paper straws in the United Kingdom and Ireland. It has 1,361 restaurants there. So to support how they are wasteful, I'm also going to highlight this. So remember, I go over with my cursor or my mouse, and this will automatically pop up. And I'm going to click here for purple. And customers use plastic straws once, then they throw the straws away. This ties in with how they are wasteful. So right here, I found some good details from my annotations to support why plastic straws can be harmful or dangerous. I know that they're not good for the environment, and I know that they are wasteful, so many people use them and throw them out, and they don't break down in landfills. So I hope this helps you as you're going through with all of your reading passages and the readings that you're doing at home for your written responses.